Number 1. The graph shows the relationship between the number of hours h Greg has been driving and the total distance d he has traveled in miles. Which statement is true? A. Greg is traveling at 90 miles per hour. B. Greg is traveling at 30 miles per hour. C. To find Greg's rate of speed, multiply the total number of hours driven by the total distance. D. To find Greg's rate of speed, divide the total number of hours driven by the total distance. Number 3. The cost C in dollars of a prepaid cell phone call is proportional to the time T in minutes that the call lasts. The equation that represents this relationship for carrier A is C equals 0.15T. The table shows the relationship for carrier B. Which carrier has a lower unit rate? A. Carrier A. B. Carrier B. C. Carrier A and carrier B have the same unit rate. Or D. The relationship cannot be determined. Number 4. The number of pages P that a laser printer prints is proportional to the printing time T in minutes. Printer A prints 104 pages in 4 minutes. The table shows the relationship between the amount of time and the number of pages printed for printer B. Which printer prints more slowly? A. Printer A. B. Printer B. C. Printer A and printer B have the same unit rate. Or D. The relationship cannot be determined. Number 5. The graph shows the distance Julie walks over time. Does she walk at a constant or variable speed? How fast is Julie walking? A. Variable speed at 8 miles per hour. B. Constant speed at 2 miles per hour. C. Constant speed at 4 miles per hour. Or D. Constant speed at 8 miles per hour. Number 6. At a summer camp, there is one counselor for every 5 campers. Determine whether there is a direct variation between the number of campers y and the number of counselors x. If so, find the equation of direct variation. A. Direct variation and y equals 5x. B. Direct variation and x equals 5y. C. Direct variation and y equals 5x plus 5. Or D. No direct variation. Number 7. The graph shows the relationship between Daisy's income D and the number of hours she works H. Kinsey earns $75 in 5 hours. Who gets paid more per hour? By how much? A. Kinsey gets paid more by $6 per hour. B. Daisy gets paid more by $6 per hour. C. Daisy gets paid more by $39 per hour. Or D. Kinsey gets paid more by $39 per hour. Number 8. The graph shows the proportional relationship between the cost and the length for 2 different brands of coaxial cable. What is the unit rate for each brand? Which brand is more expensive? A. Brand A is $1.75 per meter. Brand B is $2.25 per meter, and brand B would be more expensive. B. Answer choice B. Brand A is $2.25 per meter. Brand B is $1.50 per meter, and brand A is more expensive. Answer choice C. Brand A is $2 per meter. Brand B costs $1.50 per meter, and brand A would be more expensive. Or answer choice D. Brand A is 2.25 meters per dollar. Brand B is 1.5 meters per dollar, and brand B is more expensive. Number 10. The cost C in dollars for advertising on a social networking website is proportional to the number N of clicks on the advertisement. Suppose a business is charged $45 for 180 clicks on its advertisement. What is the slope of the line that represents the relationship between cost and clicks? A, 4, B, 1, C, 0.25, or D, the slope cannot be determined. Number 11. What is the constant rate of this data? And there's no correct answer choice, but you still have to put the rate over to the side. Number 12. Which equation shows direct variation? A, y equals x divided by 2. B, y equals x plus 2. C, y equals 2 divided by x. Or D, y equals 1/2 plus x. Number 13. Which table shows a constant rate of change?